So, Sarva Shaktimai, Sarva Mangala, Sadgati Prada, Sarveshwari, Sarvamai, Sarva Mantra Swarupini, Om Mantra Sarayai Namaha. So this is again one of the names mentioned in Lalita Sahasranama of Lalita. So Mantra Sara means Mantra Sarayai Namaha, salutations to her who is the essence of mantra. Tanu Vistare, which means to expand, right? So Tanu Vistare means which something is being extended or Vistara. So that is why Tantra is that scripture by which the knowledge is spread. Tanyate vistaryate jnanam anena iti. So this is one of the definitions of Tantra and which is related to the verbal root, that is Tanu vistare. So Tantra is that scripture by which the knowledge is spread. And then, so this is the first part of word Tantra, that is Tana. And the second portion, Tra, is related to again the verbal root Trai, which means to protect. Again, derived from verbal root Trai. So this is something which protects. I would say every scripture or every science means Shastra, has its own rules and regulations and some presumptions. So even in tantric texts, you will find those kind of things. And yes, that is there is a certain set of rules. So yes, there will be symbolic representation. You will find many kind of symbols in tantric texts. And after that, understanding the meaning with reference to tantric theories. So you need to understand the tantric theories, and after that only you can understand what is written in the tantric mantras or tantric texts. And then the third step will be interpretation. So all these three steps will be helpful for us to understand the meanings of Bījamantra or what is Bījamantra, and that is why I have mentioned these three steps. Okay. So again, in Maharashtra, we have tradition that whenever we go to a temple of goddess, we offer some things, maybe flowers or sweets, and again, Khan and Naral. Khana Naralani Oti Bharne. So means we offer a kind of cloth, and also Khan means there will be a cloth which is folded into the triangular shape. So you will find triangular shape for that cloth. So why triangle only? So you can find explanation of this shape in Tantra Shastra, because according to Tantra Shastra, Trikona or triangle denotes or symbolizes the creative energy of goddess or motherhood. And that is why whenever we go to the temple of goddess, yes, we offer this triangular shaped cloth to humbly offer our prayers to the creative. Yes, and there are some other examples of Bījamantra with one consonant. This is very well-known system, because you might have heard about Kundalini Yoga, and there are 6 energy centers in our body according to yoga system, and that is why in every center you will find a lotus, and on every lotus there will be one Bījamantra. So when we say that we don't know anything about Bījamantra, this is one more point that this is very familiar to us. Yes, we don't. So when we started, yes, the title was Bījamantra and Tantra, Philosophy, Deities and Worship. And as the last point I have discussed, that when you wish to interpret the Bījas, yes, you have to understand first the meanings of syllables, then the group of syllables, and the position of Bījamantra in worship. So first you have to understand Tantra as philosophical school, and then you understand the deities which are described in Tantra Shastra, and then they will lead you to worship. And when you come to worship, yes, you will worship the deities, and when you understand the worship and deities, you will reach the state of knowledge, and that is philosophy. So in Tantra, we have a system of krama and vyutkrama. So ascending order and descending order of same syllables. So in the same fashion, we can say when we discuss Bija mantras in this sequence, philosophy, deities, and worship, yes, we can conclude with first when we see what is the worship, then which deities are being worshipped through Bija mantras, and what will be the result of worship of deities through Bija mantras. Definitely, the ultimate knowledge of liberation. So this was the, I would say, introductory session to Bija mantras. So thank you so much.